Hello and welcome back to RideWire. Today we're diving deep into a motorcycle that marks a turning point in Yamaha's MotoGP story at the 2026 Yamaha YZR-M1 V4. After decades of using inline-four engines, Yamaha has finally gone V4, and this machine isn't just a spec sheet, it's a statement. We'll unpack what makes this bike special, what the performance looks like, how it's been designed, and whether it will deliver on the promise. So strap in, because this is going to be one wild ride. The biggest headline here is the engine layout. The 2026 M1 replaces the traditional inline-four with the V4 configuration, a move that fundamentally alters weight distribution, compactness, and how the power can be delivered through corners. It offers more potential for packaging improvements, especially in how you manage mass centralization and frontal area. Alongside this, Yamaha has integrated advanced electronics, updated traction control, ride height devices, improved aerodynamics, and a revised lightweight chassis designed specifically to complement the new V4 format. While MotoGP rules limit what can be done in terms of weight and displacement, Yamaha has pushed the boundaries of design thanks to this new architecture. Performance is the heart of the matter, and early signs are promising. While official figures are tightly controlled, expectations are that the 2026 M1 V4 will deliver well over 270 horsepower in race trim. That's an incredible figure. But what really matters is how the power is applied. The V4 layout gives Yamaha the ability to harness stronger corner exit drive, improve stability under hard acceleration, and achieve sharper responsiveness in direction changes. Test sessions have already hinted at a bike that feels faster out of corners, more stable under braking, and lighter on its feet. Engineers have had to rework suspension, frame stiffness, and balance, but the result is a bike that seems to handle more aggressively without losing Yamaha's trademark mid-corner fluidity. On the design front, the 2026 YZR-M1 V4 is unmistakably aggressive. Its bodywork reflects the compact engine inside tighter side profiles, sleek fairing work, and a more efficient aerodynamic package. Winglets and ducts have been refined, airflow has been optimized, and the rear section has been reshaped for stability and reduced drag. Materials are top shelf, from carbon fiber to lightweight alloys, and everything from the frame to the swing arm screams precision. Expect the best suspension hardware from A-Lens and MotoGP-grade braking systems with carbon discs and cutting-edge calipers. This is a machine built without compromise, and the craftsmanship shows in every line and detail. Now, about the price, or at least the cost. This isn't a consumer motorcycle you can simply walk into a dealership and buy. As a MotoGP prototype, the YZR-M1 V4 isn't available for sale in the conventional sense. Instead, it represents millions of dollars in research, development, and testing for Yamaha and its factory teams. If you tried to put a number on it, a MotoGP race bike in full spec could easily cost in the range of several $100,000 to over $1 million, when you consider not just the bike but the spares, electronics, and support. If Yamaha ever released a road-going version inspired by this machine, it would instantly land in the ultra-premium superbike segment with the sky-high price tag aimed at collectors and serious racers. What really makes this motorcycle stand out, though, is its symbolism. For decades, Yamaha's MotoGP identity has been tied to the inline-four. By moving to a V4, Yamaha isn't just chasing performance parity with rivals like Honda, Ducati, and Aprilia. It's declaring that it's willing to change its DNA to win. This decision carries huge weight. Fans get a brand new exhaust sound and character, engineers get more freedom with chassis and aerodynamics, and riders get a machine that promises to be sharper and more competitive. It's not just a technical move, it's a cultural one, signaling the end of an era and the start of something bold. To close things out, the 2026 Yamaha YZR-M1 V4 is more than a new engine or a new motorcycle, it's a milestone. Yamaha has taken a huge leap, leaving behind tradition to embrace the future of MotoGP. The performance potential is staggering, the design is cutting edge, and the implications for both Yamaha and the sport as a whole are massive. Will it deliver victories? That's the question only time and the racetrack can answer. But one thing is certain, the YZR-M1 V4 has already changed the conversation. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you like to see Yamaha build a road-legal V4 superbike for the rest of us, or do you think the inline-four should have stayed? Thanks for watching RideWire, and I'll see you in the next video.